Hello friends, welcome to Rumi's Delicacy. Today I am going to share the recipe of mango sahi tukda. For mango sahi tukda, I have taken 8 slices of bread and I have roasted the bread with desi ghee. You can fry the bread, but here I have taken the roasted bread and I have roasted with desi ghee. Then for rabdi, I have taken 1.5 liter of milk and reduced the milk into half and added 3 spoons of condensed milk in it. Then I have taken mango cubes. These mango cubes are going to give a real crunch to the dessert. Then I have taken dry fruits and gulab jal, and for royal flavor I am going to add rose syrup. So friends, let's start the process. For shahi tukda, I have to make the bed of the shahi tukda. So for that, let us pour the rabdi on the plate. We have to pour the rabdi properly on the plate. Then I'm going to add the mango cubes on it. These mango cubes, small mango cubes, are going to give a real crunch to the dessert. So now the bread is ready. I'm going to place the bread slice on it. Friends, you must have observed that I have not soaked the bread in sugar syrup because I have already added condensed milk on the rabdi and I have already using the mangoes, so no more sugar. So we can say it is the healthy version of shahi tukda. Now I am going to pour the rabdi once again on top of it. So let us pour it properly. Again I have to repeat the same process. I am going to add the mango cubes on it. Now let me add the mango cubes. Going to add the gulab jal. Friends, don't skip gulab jal. It is going to give a real flavor to the shahi tukda. And for royal flavor, we are going to add rose syrup. You may add the mango essence, but I will suggest please go with rose syrup. It's really going to give you a royal flavor. Dry fruits on it. Sprinkle the dry fruits properly. Here I have added the sprinklers also. While taking the bite, you will get the crunch of the sprinklers and the dry fruits. So the shahi tukda, mango shahi tukda is ready to serve. I wish I could have shared the flavor, the essence of shahi tukda with you. Friends, try once with rose syrup and gulab jal. You will enjoy it. Freeze it for half an hour and enjoy shahi tukda. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you some other day.